everybody. How are you today? Hi. Hello, Yoon. Hello, Ian. Hello, Casey. Who did their homework? Good job. Yes, excellent. I'm so glad you did your homework and you studied. Very good job. Okay, and remember, when you study and you do your homework, you get 5 stars, okay? Yes, great job. Okay, everybody, today we're going to do Big Show 1, Unit 1. Are you ready? Good job. Okay, can you see the picture? All right, everybody here, I want you to look at the pictures, listen and say, okay? Balloon. Good job. Cake. Very good. Ball. Great job. Doll. Kite. Good. Gift. Very good. Okay, look at all the pictures. What is the balloon here? What color is it? Good. It's a blue balloon. When do you see balloons? Good job. Yes, birthday parties, you get balloons. What about this? Cake. When do you eat cake? Yes, when it's your birthday. Ian, what's your favorite kind of cake? Chocolate cake. Me too. Good. Yoon, what's your favorite type of cake? Cheesecake. Very good. I also love cheesecake. What's this? Ball. When do you use a ball? Yes, when you play outside. What can you do with the ball outside? Do you play sports? Good. Basketball, baseball, yes. This is a beach ball. Where do you use a beach ball? Good. Raise your hand if you've been to the beach. Who likes the beach? Yes, I love the beach too. Can you swim? Good job. Okay, next. What's this picture? A doll. How many dolls do you have, Yoon? So many, right? Okay, what is this picture? A kite. Is it good to use a kite when it is rainy outside? No. What weather is good for a kite? Yes, you need wind for a kite. Excellent, good job. And what is this picture? It's a gift. When do you get gifts? Good, Christmas, yes. Birthday, excellent. Do you give gifts also? Who do you give gifts to? Yes. What day do you give gifts to your mom and dad? Yes, you got it. Parents' Day. What day do parents give you a gift? Good. Children's Day. Excellent. Okay, now everybody get ready. Listen, and I want you to put the number with the picture. Can you do it? Okay, here we go. Get ready. Listen carefully.
Unit 1. Is it a cake?
Listen and number. Number 1.
Kite. Kite.
Number 2.
Ball. Ball.
Number 3.
Gift. Gift.
Number 4.
Doll. Doll.
Okay, did everybody hear? Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to say a number and you say the word, okay? Are you ready? Everybody knows number 1. What's number 1? Are you sure? Number 1 is kite. Good job. Yes. Excellent. Okay. What's number 2? Good. Very good. Ball. What is number 3? Very good. It's a gift. What's number 4? Yes, it's the doll. And what is number 5? Yes, it's the delicious cake. And what is number 6? Very good. Excellent. Good job, guys. Okay, now we're going to do big box. Does everybody remember the special ID and password that I gave you? Okay, let's get ready. We're going to do some activities and games. Okay, can everybody see? Okay, I want you to listen and say the word after me. Ready? Ball. Very good. What kind of ball is this? Is it a soccer ball? No. It's a beach ball. Very good. Good job, Casey. Balloon. Very good. What color of balloon is this, Ian? Very good. It's a blue balloon. Cake. Very good. What kind of cake is this? Very good. It's a birthday cake. Great job. Doll. Excellent. What color is the doll's hair? Very good. Red, orange, yes. What color is her dress? Yes, she has a very pretty blue dress. What picture do you see on her dress? Yes, it's a heart. Awesome. Is she cute? Yes, I think so too. Great job. Gift. Very good. What color is this gift? Yes. Is it one color or two? Very good. It's blue and red. Good job. Kite. Excellent. Very good. How many colors is this kite? 3 colors. What colors? Yellow, red, and blue. Very good. Robot. Very good. Do you like this robot? Does he look fun to play with? I don't think so. Maybe just for boys. What color is the robot? Yes, very good. He's a blue robot. Teddy bear. Oh, is this teddy bear cute? Yes, I think he's very cute. He has something on his neck. Do you know what that is? It's a ribbon. Good. Yes, it's a ribbon. He's very cute. Do you think he's soft? I think so too. Very cute. Toy. Good job. There are so many toys. Can you name any toys you see? Good. Teddy bear. Great job, Ian. Yes, there's a truck. Very good, Yoon. What's this? Yes, it's a toy car. Excellent. Good job. And how many colors do you see on this toy? Can you name the colors? Good. Green, good. Blue. Orange. Yellow. They're also, yes, there's sky blue. There's the dark blue and sky blue. Very good eyes, yes. Yo-yo. Good job. What color is the yo-yo? Oh, I think you are both right. It is blue and sky blue. Very good job. Excellent. You guys did wonderful. You did 3 stars. Great job, everybody. Good job. Very good. Okay, can everybody see the TV? Can everybody see the screen? Okay, we're going to study Big Show 1, Unit 1. It's called, Is It a Cake? Can you say? Very good. Do you see this picture? What do you see in the picture? Good, 2 girls. Look at box 1. What do you see in box 1? What do you think the girls are doing? Yes. Do you think they're playing a game? Do you think they're having fun? Yes, I think so too. And look at box number 2. What does the girl have in her hands? Yes. Do you remember what kind of ball? Very good. Excellent. And look at box 3. What do you see in box 3? Good. I see cake. Yes. What else? A kite. Good. A gift. Yes. Where are the girls? Yes, they're at the swimming pool. What do you think is happening? Do you think it's a birthday party? Yes. Maybe a surprise party. Yes, because her eyes are covered. It's a surprise party, I think. Yes. Okay, everybody now listen and you'll write the number. Number 1, is it a cake? You say? Good. Or number 2, no, it isn't. You say now. Great. Okay, listen very carefully and write the number. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, did everybody listen carefully? Okay, are you ready? I want Ian to read box number 1. Very good reading, excellent. I want Casey to read box number 2. Great job, yes. And I want Yoon read box number 3. Excellent, you guys did wonderful today. Great job. Okay, I want everyone to give yourself a big hand, everybody. All right, that was a great job, everybody. You had great listening skills. Okay, now we're going to go back to Big Box. Are you ready? Okay, now it's quiz time. Everybody, look at the picture. What do you see? Yes, it is. Good job. Okay, everybody, look at the picture. Is it a doll? No, it's not a doll. Is it a teddy bear? Is it a kite? No, it isn't. Is it a gift? Good job, yes. Is it a kite? No, it isn't. It's a gift. Can you say? Very good. Excellent. Okay, look at the picture. Is it a gift? No. Is it a yo-yo? Yes, it is. Very good. Okay, everybody, look at the picture. This arrow is pointing at one toy, but what is it? It's a toy. Good. What kind of toy? Yes, it's a teddy bear. Can you say the correct sentence? Excellent. Very good, you guys. Wow, 100. You guys did awesome. Wonderful. Everybody give yourselves a hand of applause. Very good. Good job. You got 3 stars today. Okay, now we're going to do one more activity. Are you ready? Okay, do you remember how to unscramble the sentence? Okay, Ian, I want you to try to make the sentence. What's the first word, Ian? Good. Is it a kite? Good job. Ian, can you say the sentence? Very good. Excellent. Okay, I want Casey. Now it's your turn. Can you make the sentence? Good. No. It isn't. Very good. Can you say the sentence? Very good. Okay, Yoon, it's your turn. Are you ready? Make the sentence. We eat cake. Very good. Excellent. Great job. All right, now this is everybody together, okay? Ready? Make the sentence. We sing a song. Very good. Excellent. Wow, you got 3 stars. That's a perfect score, 100. Amazing. You guys did so great today. Wonderful. Okay, I want you to remember for next time, be sure to do all of your homework for the 5 stars, okay? Okay, I will see everyone next time. All right? Have a good day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.